So, you'd like to paint? I don't blame you. It's so fun. Let's talk about what you need. A messy sheet, water container, brushes, paper, and you definitely need to write your name and your class code. You can have 2 little sheets or 1 big sheet per class. They're where all the paper is kept. The painting paper is on the lower 2 shelves, and I'd like you to take just 1 piece at a time. You can walk across the back of the room to pick up the paints that you want. Get yourself some brushes at the sink. Grab a water container, fill it up, bring it to your table. Notice how gently this student is using the handle of the sink. When you have a water container, you want to check on the fill line and just fill it up a little bit. You might also want to get a paper towel for your painting station. Set up your painting station so you can share with someone at your table. To ensure a peaceful painting experience, take your time, clean your brush often, change your water when you need to, and respect your table space. Remember, patting the puppy gently keeps water from spraying all over the table. If you're too rough with your brush, it goes everywhere. And please don't tap. That could make a mess. And then, sometimes accidents happen when you're painting. Here's a group that's painting along. Everything's going well, and then suddenly they have a spill. And they shout spill, and they all lift up their papers. And they set their papers on their chairs while they go get towels and sponges. Notice how this whole table is working together to clean things up. Not only is it faster that way, but it shows a sense of community that they're taking care of the table together. They clean it up pretty quickly, they put their paintings back on the table, and before you know it, they're painting again. Well done. What about splatter painting? Well, I know it's fun, but we're not going to do it because there's so many fun things that you can paint. Beautiful, sensitive things and exciting things. Let's talk about cleaning up. Again, you can go through the back of the room to put your paints away. What's important to remember about watercolors is that the top of the lid is dry and the watercolors are sitting flat. There's a special brush cleaning station with a nubbly bottom to it. Because there are a lot of you, it's important to clean all the brushes at once from your water container. Sort them by size and make sure they're all facing the same way. Then grab your water container and empty it carefully into the sink and put it on the dish rack. Those are some happy looking paintbrushes there. Let's leave the paintings for last. Find your teacher's name on the drying rack, and then remember that we're filling the rack from the bottom up using every possible space along the way. In your next class, you'll find all of the paintings from the rack are in your folder. I'm looking forward to seeing your work.